going to show you my mock I did today. I call it the U-fractor because, well, it can fract like one of the aliens from the Mars missions buildings, and the set is also built by Mars missions pieces actually from one set, and yeah, I really like it. It's actually very simple, but yeah, that's all for now. Oh, hello. Hello Bricksters, it's Salbrix here. Now it's time for my review of my mock, of the two mocks me and Shellbrix made. But first, I really have to pee. Where did he go? Where did he actually go? Let's see. Come on, you again. Oh damn, he's actually doing it. Ah, that was nice. Now on to the real review of this thing. As you can see, it's pretty small, but looks very cool, I think. This can open, and it has a Mars mission alien figure. Yeah, it has like this thing, which I thought looked very cool. And underneath, it has these, and we'll take a look at those later and what they're for. And these cannons here, which has these energy tubes going to them. When you open this, these missiles will fall. Look here. That's pretty cool, huh? That's it for me. This was Salbrix and Shellbrix, and we're out.